So I'm back out here working on the Mustang. Got the little Laker welder, Chicago cheapo, Harbor Freight. Works good. Does what I need to. Soldered. Weld the diff, and I'm not done. And the flux core does make a mess. No, I did not take the housing out of there because I don't know if it'll hold or not. If it don't hold, guess what? I'm just gonna put a spool in it and be dealt with it. But for now, I'm gonna weld it. Look at that professional welding right there. Popcorn. Still gotta get this side. Then I'm gonna go all the way back around it, both sides. But this bad boy's gonna be positive. Trying to spin it and hold the phone at the same time. Let's see. Does that side look any worse? Nah. This side here is just awkward to get to, but I'm gonna get to it.